Good morning, students. So today in SST we will discuss our chapter number 6, that is about the Western Desert. The Western Desert, that is one of our physical feature and that lies in the western part of our country. The Western Desert, that is also known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. So today we will discuss about this physical feature, that is the Western Desert. But before starting this chapter, let's discuss that what is desert. What is the meaning of desert? What is desert? Desert is a large dry land with very little vegetation or little rainfall or having no rainfall. Yes, so this is the definition of desert, that it is a large arid region, large dry region with very little rainfall or with very little vegetation. So now we will discuss that where it is located. We know that the Thar Desert or the Western Desert is located in the western part of our country, but the 70% of Rajasthan is covered by desert. Some part of Haryana, some part of Punjab and some part of Gujarat also lies in Western Desert. Some part of Pakistan also lies in this Western Desert. So now let's discuss that what is the climate, natural vegetation, occupation, diet, dance, music of the people of Rajasthan. So now we will discuss everything about this physical feature. So now let's start with the climate, that what is the climate of. So now we will discuss the climate of Rajasthan. Climate of desert. Or let's discuss the climate of Rajasthan. Those part of Rajasthan which lies in this Western Desert. So what is the climate there? So the climate of the desert is extreme climate. Extreme climate means that the days are very hot and the nights are very cold. So as we know that the sand of the desert, it heats very fast. Because of the heat of the sun, it heats very fast, and during nights it also cools very fast. So the days are very hot in the desert and nights are cool. The temperature of the desert raises to the 40 degrees Celsius in the daytime and drops to 0 degrees Celsius during the night time. So there is a lot of difference between the day and night temperature. Yes, in summer season and winter season is also has a lot of difference, that the summers are very hot and winters are very cold in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the area that receives very little rainfall. Not the complete Rajasthan, because some part of Rajasthan also lies in the northern plains, but the part of Rajasthan that lies in Western Desert, that receives very little rainfall. So now the next topic is the natural vegetation, that what type of natural vegetation found there. Natural vegetation. Due to very less rainfall, as we know that Rajasthan or the western part of Rajasthan receives very little rainfall, so there is the shortage of vegetation. So on the name of vegetation, only thorny bushes are found there, which can easily survive in hot temperature or in high temperature. So what type of vegetation found there? So the vegetation found there is shrubs and herbs or thorny bushes or thorny bushes. So this is the vegetation that found in the Western Desert. After that, the wildlife, that what type of wildlife is found in desert. Wildlife. The Thar Desert is home of several different species of reptiles. There are the lot of species of reptiles which found in the desert. So what type of animals found here? So that is black buck, Indian wild ash, Indian wild ash, Indian gazelle, these are the wildlife which found in large number. Now the birds which found here. In birds, peacock, great Indian bustard, great Indian bustard. These are the birds which found in large number. So this is the wildlife and birds that found in the western desert. There are several national parks in the Thar Desert in which you can easily see the different species of birds and animals which also attract the tourists from all around the world. Now let's discuss about the drainage system of Rajasthan or desert area. Desert is the area, the western part of the desert is that area which receives very little rainfall. So it is very difficult for people to grow crops there. Because of the shortage of water, people have very little production of crops. So in this state, there is the canal, that is Indira Gandhi Canal, that is one of the main source of irrigation. This is only the source of irrigation to the fields that people are using, and just because by using this canal people have good production of their crops, that they can fulfill their needs by using the water of canal. Just because the shortage of water, people have to walk for miles to get fresh water or for drinking water. They get this water from the wells or tanks. From where? From the surrounding areas or from the nearby places. So there is the acute shortage of water, so that's why people irrigate their fields through the canals, through the tanks. So in this way, this is the canal, that is Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal, it is a great relief for those people, those who are living in the western desert. Now let's discuss the life in the western desert. That what is the life of people? Life in the western desert. So life in the western desert, now we will start about the occupation, about the crops, the dresses, the food that people eat. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Now let's came to know about the states which touch the boundary with Rajasthan. So here is Pakistan. Pakistan in the west. In the west. These are the neighboring states and the neighboring country of Rajasthan. Gujarat, in the southwest. Gujarat in the southwest. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh in the southeast. Madhya Pradesh in the southeast. Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Uttar Pradesh and Haryana in the northeast. And Punjab in the north. And Punjab in the north. So these are the neighboring states of Rajasthan, and Pakistan is the neighboring country that lies in the western side of Rajasthan. So now let's discuss the next topic is the crop. That what are the crops that are grown here? So the main crops that are grown here, they are bajra, pulses, jowar, maize, sesame, the spelling of sesame is sesame, and groundnut. So these are the crops that are grown here, and the main occupation, as you know, that the main occupation of the people of Rajasthan is agriculture or cattle rearing. Cattle rearing is also another main occupation of this state. Cattle rearing and farming, these are the two occupations. Occupations: farming and rearing animals. These two are the main occupations of the people living in Rajasthan. And the main crops, we have already discussed that what are the main crops: jowar, maize, bajra, sesame. These are the major crops that are grown here. After that, the food, that what are the food items that they include in their diet? Food. So in Rajasthan, people love to eat their traditional food. People use lot of spices in their food. So what are the famous food that are eaten by people of Rajasthan? That is this is the famous gatte ki sabzi, pakodi, mangodi, and papad. These things they include in their diet, and the most famous, not only in the Rajasthan but all over in our country, the famous food item that belongs to Rajasthan, that is dal bati churma. That is also not liked. That is not liked only in Rajasthan, but it liked in all over the country. After that, the next topic is the dresses that we wear. People of Rajasthan wear colorful dresses. We have seen that what type of dress they wear. Women wear ghagra, choli and odhni, and men wear dhoti kurta, pajama kurta with a pagri on their head. So this is the traditional dress of Rajasthan. So sari choli and ghagra choli. Ghagra choli with odhni. With odhni. This is the traditional dress among women, and men wear dhoti, angrakhi and pagri. This is the traditional dress among men. So these are the traditional dresses: dhoti, kurta, pagri, or dhoti, pajama, kurta, angrakhi and pagri, turban for men, and women wear sari choli or ghagra choli with odhni. After that, the houses. That what type of houses are there? We have seen that in the desert people used to live in hut. That is the made up of wood. Huts are made up of wood. Why people living in hut? Why people use hut in? People live in huts that are made up of straw and mud because it keep their houses cool. So that why mostly peoples in the desert areas they used to live in hut. It is the traditional houses. Huts are their traditional houses. They are easy to build, and people living in desert area they like that type of houses. And the huts in which people lived in desert area they are called jhumpas. Their huts are also known as jhumpas. Yes, so today in this chapter beta we have studied about the climatic condition, natural vegetation, location, drainage system. After that, the life of the people, that their occupation, their food item, their dresses, their houses, all these topics we have discussed today. Now there are some topics are left in this chapter that we will discuss in our next class. So you have to revise this chapter what I have explained you today. Thank you.